Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. Welcome to another unboxing video. As you can see, this is my last DJI drone, my Mavic Mini. Unfortunately, the gimbal broke, so I have bought another one with a working gimbal, but this time it's the Mavic Mini SE, so it's a newer version, and surprisingly it's actually cheaper. We're now going to see how good it is. I got this from JB Hi-Fi for $459. Mavic Mini SE. Okay, you can see the word SE here. Now it says ultra light, 249 grams, so that's really good. 30-minute max flight time, 4-kilometer max HD video transmission, 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K camera. So I think these are all pretty similar to the Mavic Mini. We're just going to take out the drone and have a look at the difference. Still broke it. Not sure why they make it so hard to open. Oh my god. Don't do that again. Okay, so gimbal is locked in here. So these are your blades. Unfold. Charge and activate the battery before use. So open this up. Okay, open up this thing at the back. Okay, open up the drone this way. And gimbal lock. There's a gimbal lock. There's a gimbal lock and a battery. Okay, and here's a remote. Okay, there's the remote. And obviously you can open it up from the bottom. Little sticker. And controllers, control sticks. Now this cable only has a lightning cable. So where are the other ones? And that's changed to, that's still a USB, micro USB cable, so that's good. There's a lot of user manuals again. So pretty much everything's the same as the DJI Mini. Okay, let's see what's in this little box. Some spare blades again. A data cable. USB-C cable. More of these data cables for the remote. And another cable for the remote. Okay, so let's compare this with my DJI Mini. Okay, let's compare that. See what's the same, what's different. Okay, so this is all the new stuff. This is the old stuff. My battery, let's take it out. Okay. So the batteries, you can see slightly different. Okay, this one is bigger. This one is smaller. Now will this fit in here? Yes, it fits. Can I turn it on? It turns on. Okay, so you can use the Mavic Mini battery and put it in the Mavic Mini SE. And the gimbal is working, as you can see. Thank God. Okay, so let's now turn it off. Now, the batteries have different weights, so if you put this battery in here, it could make it over 250 grams, so I thought I'd just remind you of that in case you have strict rules around what weight your drone is. Let's compare the remotes. Now, these two remotes, they almost look exactly the same. Okay, if I don't separate it, I'll probably get it confused. Almost look exactly the same. So the remotes are the same. The blades look almost look exactly the same, really. Blades look pretty similar as well. Okay, drone looks very similar. Very similar drones. So the good thing is the battery is the Mavic Mini battery can go in the Mavic Mini SE, but the Mavic Mini SE battery does not go in the Mavic Mini. Okay, can't squeeze it in. So that's the most obvious difference. Alright, so we're going to fly it around and show you guys how to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Eddie the Magic Eddie the Magic Monk. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.